I've had many questions about scale factor. So I'm going to try to do the lesson again for those of you that missed it because you were absent the first time. So our rectangular prism has a dimension of 1 times 2 times 3. And when we go through the first time, we just use our formula for surface area, which remember is surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. All right, and so when you plug 1, 2, and 3 into that formula, that will give you the surface area of the original shape. Then the next formula you're going to use for the volume column is volume equals length times width times height. At this stage, you're ready to look at the second column, which says a scale factor of 2. Well, in order to find a scale factor of 2, you have to take each dimension, our 1, 2, and 3, and multiply them by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. And then for that row, you will use the same formula for surface area, the same formula for volume, and you'll use your new dimensions of 2, 4, and 6. The next column down says a scale factor of 3. So 3 times 1 would be 3, 3 times 2 would be 6, and 3 times 3 would be 9. Again, we'll use those new dimensions and plug them into the surface area formula and the volume formula. Now, once you've done this for the 1, 2, and 3, I think you'll be able to figure out the scale factor for 4 and also for 0.5 or 1/2. Now, what they're hoping you notice is that when the scale factor is 2, you can take the original surface area. So this is what they're saying, what do you notice in those columns? Under surface area, you can take the original surface area and multiply that by your scale factor, which for this I'm going to use SF, okay, squared, because surface area, of course, our label is always squared because it's 2 dimensions. So we have the original dimension we got up here where it says 1, 2, and 3 of the surface area times the scale factor, which would be either 2 or 3 or 4 or 0.5 squared. That's what you'll notice works in that column. The other thing they were hoping you notice is that for volume, you have to take the original volume times scale factor again, and this time cubed because we know volume is cubed, and that will give you the new volumes. So if you take your original dimension of 1, 2, and 3 and multiply that by a scale factor of 2 cubed, you should get the same volume number that you found when you used the formula. So these are important relationships for you to remember. I hope this Explain Everything helped, and if not, please come see me in person. Thanks.